Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips we will discuss the difference between the store and the studio section of the MySawgrass platform. Once you finish designing your project, you will be brought to what is known as the product details page. The product details page is where you apply pricing and marketing preferences to your project. This will also be where you can decide where you would like to save your project. From this page, you have the option to save your project, print your project, or post your project for sale. If you select the save option, the project will be saved to your studio. Projects saved to the studio are not for sale and are completely personal and private to you. This is a great way to store projects for those of you who have no intention of selling your product. Selecting the print option will send the project over into Sawgrass print utility, and selecting post for sale will place the project onto your storefront with the previously selected pricing and marketing preferences. It is strongly recommended that you allow all pop-ups when working within MySawgrass to ensure there are no issues with this process. Once the project has been saved or posted for sale, you will have a variety of different options to manage your project, including the ability to edit your design by going back into the design tool, reopening the product details page, or deleting projects off your storefront or studio whenever you need to do so. If you want to move projects between the store and studio, you can return to the product details page and change the save settings whenever you want to do so. That's all for today. See you next time.